menya samalu commando
Is in the president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. I'm a paying so massive. Cafe bar no phone, I'm sure when they bread, delicious breakfast. Papa Pazi, aha, in a Ibiano, Sampolo, we are brains, the banana, and the in the wood of the epidemic, and that's spiritual coma. I had it in your place also there ever. So no more than a national cafe bar no join the police station, Tonya, you're on the house with a papa. Brana, Bejuzi, as I using what had it. No, as a marine, na so no we can no matter personality in the bottom come and there nipa me about person no or one of my favorite rap personalities.
That's
minimum rap be now as I excite about the personality in there say what share anymore the way I blend the rap with traditional music no or you come up on the high life you be na rap in the dome rap no see distinct what's one who into no or as ye papa or bear singing there or the one general do be seen there into no at the pay you pa me no ha me about to chunko you Flowking Stone hey
I will that's what
that's too much
and son of a corner oh na be do triba that means that because I'm a Adom fancy.
Okay.
The way I come fancy, no, I'm a Adom. Minya come fancy come up.
But Becky also no correct.
Say we move fancy town. Oh, Kumasi.
I see.
Yeah, it's fancy there. Yeah, me. Oh, sir. Fancy for my men now. Omo abasa. It's say now omo tupano no. Omo pano na me didi nyine yo. Ti me dey ka fancy there. I was thinking women move because so almost abasa na I did. Pound for no and you been a medini ain't no
everything no it's no me come obi in the new generation for I'm there brothers no about first but yen show background if we hear far can want some kakwacho
Matthias enti e said me shase na ayi Kumasi near woman
okay
Kumasi baby a woman no it's like middle because a woman Asafo market opposite enti baby a woman if you feel any Copacabana na ohwe right pe Adom ohwe straight Asafo yachi Fantino town to Roma Hill your left side to Amekum Tech. So I was raised in them. I saw a lot. Yeah, I saw it, and I was raised there from primary to university. No, so university was some Kamikolega. Yeah, because not Kumasi actually. I actually got admission with Legon, and then admission Tech. Yes, University at the same time. And I me share that take trip to Accra and I've been until Legon campus anymore just to feel it. To me, now campus anymore, and something told me say, "Sir, remember because being a biological science, Legon, and I'm now by chemistry or tech." And I'm saying back, sir, with scissors as usual.
I see.
And the Jones and the Joe war, and I'm saying, so we try to go. Me to be science.
Okay.
And I'm choose to tech and we'll go back to tech. And I'm in school in the
okay.
A friend is saying Kumasi.
We
call Prempeh College. Yes.
Okay.
To senior high school we call Prempeh College. We call Grace Baptist, Martyrs of Uganda, Prempeh College, KNUST. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Now, I can biochemistry, rather.
Yeah.
As yet done.
Oh.
And as a yet biochemistry as a yet.
Oh, I'm going to read it.
Okay.
For now, no dear. No more. Me use me too quite say crown. Some not saying me too quite crack. Me too quite say crown. Uma na me use. Uma na makoshe lab kakra. Uma yes. I use it.
Yes. You Juma as a lab technician.
Sometimes I do. No, Ghana there. Me MD S Lancet.
I see.
Yeah.
And a bit more about how they can attest that.
Yes.
As a lab technician.
Yes, biomedical scientist.
I see.
I've dealt with lots of patients omo ni me delay omo say bra asem ni mo anim kakra. No basire say sa asem ni mo anim I so many. See between brother and good be anko for kan. No basire and I just
who but until connect rap no
exactly.
With the profession.
Person be society. Yeah.
Interesting. What switch from one status school now? Yeah. I am very interested. Yeah. And me also encourage.
Yes.
Yeah, Papa. Because sometimes a step out from the comfort zone and never find who you really are. And you know, that's good. That's good because so far also you have come very far and you are doing very well. So no one samaring and I as Papa. And may you share and you no rap no started time being.
Rap no me started in primary school. In fact, before rap, I be singing or church. That's when I was like 6 years old and all that. Now me Sunday school, me and friend my mom too. Okay. My day with my package in a nice power.
That's what. One BBI come out or had a one BBI come out.
Me started in the church and after there, me started raga be. Shaba ranks money I didn't hear raga because I loved it. But raga phone or say dance or phone, I feel like they are extra talented because more rhythm and all melody.
Okay.
Rappers, you will deal more with rhythm, but the melody can rhythm.
I see.
Yes, it meaning I started like that. Then me rap, me rapper. It has groove because I started with dance. So first say. And I do mama who's in the bedroom was said that hey go down low for the last killer. I went to one through me a chinchilla DVD agrobio pimpena Chevy Van Dam we Bohovilla oh young ya better do painkiller oh you're fresh then you're watching china some of your docuna on in china so imagine say if you a stone boy be an say Shatawali be an dance artist been able to it's just about the same thing.
Yeah.
And I dream of me who's on a bedroom was say that go down low for the last killer. I want the woman throw me a chinchilla. Ebedi a grobio. Keep down about the connection. Keep down about it's the same thing.
Wow.
It's just the tune.
I see.
So because I started with dancehall or raga, I still have those elements in my rap. It's my rap, it will groove. So even without beat, also I'm not to now beat down, but you were dancing. Exactly, yeah. That's it. So that's how I started. That's how I started. So I started very, very young, and I started with the rap battles, rap competitions, going all around with my kid brother Kunta Kinte.
Yeah.
Even way before brothers. Yes.
Way before brothers.
Yes. But that time they afraid the whiskies.
I see.
Yeah, they afraid the whiskey. Very, very young.
Not me, you're very, very young, but
not. I want to do so. Oh, yes, you're very, very young.
Very, very, very.
90s, the line, very, very young. 90s, very young. Now for your competitions near there.
Thank you.
After senior high school, and I'm a fan of serious. You really proper, and I'm a fan of serious. I say, me music anchor.
Come on.
Yes.
And you know, what started, you know, this when you're the pedal music and Cassandra, what started as brothers?
Yeah, okay, so the West Coast started me in the 90s. Early 2000s. Near Freya Chamima. Yes, so the Freya Chamima. No, I said from 97 no more to be 98, 99. And they be Freya Chamima. And you were 2000s. No? Now you're for Gold Coast. It's a release your first song with Nana Finn named Mr. Rutai. Near for the Gold Coast. A lot of people can't even connect. That's somewhere in 2003.
Yeah, history power.
Yeah, somewhere in 2003. And your friend Winnie, your friend O'Donnell. It's after that time that we became the brothers. And they drop a 1 gallon. Okay. 4 and 9.
Oh, the Makoma
in 2005. It's that. It's yeah. You did Yeah, they tell you fan call back too much. You started Free Brothers, which is 1 gallon, 2005 no na echo.
No,
but it's been way before.
I see. Now, Eka Achame Mbano, na Mekai, or Achame being, or Chame Kwame, now, or Chame Kofi.
Exactly.
Now, one brother paying you, so you're Chame Kwame.
Exactly.
Okay, see, I'm not wrong.
No, you're right.
Or the same, Busnya.
Yeah.
Batan, Mamma and Papa the same.
Mamma and Papa the same.
Wow. Where you know him?
For Papa side, there, year 6. You were penny pa. Friend of Braquesi. Now back by a friend of Brabut. Watting. Now Ocham Kwame Aba. Now Oba friend sister.
I see.
Now me Maba. Na Kunta. Minya Ketwana Ba. Yeah. On my mom's side, there are 5. You get it. So there's only one person out, as in like only on my dad's side. But you know, one mother, one father.
Okay.
Until there are 5 with my dad's side. 6 on mine.
No.
5 with mom, 6 with that side.
Okay, now Kunta no to then.
No way, pa.
Oh, Shahin.
Then I said, "Na say na me na me ba cray na." I mean Kwame na.
Then say hu na am mu na check.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, o show pa no one fresh boy.
We je anyum, we je. Oh, releasing your music.
Oh, back to back.
Oh, wow.
Na say crowd we releasing a new one be on the Kempaluta. And I'm in on class so yeah, starting year projects, brothers projects near there.
Okay.
And I even my releasing new album, your friend the Decision album.
Okay.
Meaning the new more.
A new model.
A friend of Madonna.
No, also they
Madonna.
Flowking Stone. When they being together, no, it was an amazing pair.
Say a spiritual. A spiritual.
Didn't you know Ebusia Krena?
Hey, the way to buy him. Don't say you manage you.
Oh, and see.
That's it. Wow, this is beautiful.
Bibia wado, Bibia kanka cafe bar no apen away end up. Cafe bar no up. And me cannot not watch to cry.
I know some about me.
I can't elling you loose.
Who's a price at it?
I the miss when you can.
Oh, I don't know the fight yesterday more. Because say me you lose, but the other kind of fight, you know. Oh my God.
Chukakra.
You see, your TV to me also be very gentle. Let's try gentle. Yes, I think we got in a brain a day. Or no be down now.
Ebusi okre na water lens be them no. If you know theater them inside na most of minimum the other siblings no way.
Man ka say wife some mechanical care ni mama
okay
wife pa. Anyway. So say na net here. If you are na a team no na chimberan ho. Papa je chimberan ho. Enti room na ye da no. Ka ye nyina na ye da ho. Ti em papa na me maame. Na squad na maka ni na the whole 6. And me maame nuanom. Ne nuanom ma ene ade. Say ba nipa be say friend say nipa be say 10 and I say 12 I na go one room. But for my parents to have some level of privacy because that time na I ochame no manyini. I'm ocham kwa no anyini and I'm nua penyin no. Ti papa di market no room no.
Ochame ebien.
Yes, it was the plywood e di market room no. And o ma o mo have to operate. Ti ho no mo start so mo ye nyum ne ade no ti no mo bonyum na na buy side because a plywood the same room and a hall. Well, that's how we were raised.
Wow.
So we all were raised in one small room together. We lived, that's how we were raised. So, though my daddy was not a poor man, but me, you know, nani sikasem aba from pa. There was a time he was okay, but when I came in, the time I remember being my mom told me, say, for me, meaning I bring picture. I don't even have. Because at that time my mom couldn't, they couldn't afford
to picture.
Wow. For a baby, yeah. To me, you can't send me picture. I have only one collaborating picture as a kid. Yeah.
I see.
My mom tells me that when I came in, they couldn't afford milk for me, so I was not fed milk. Like, this apart from breast milk, like proper milk, no. My mom, they couldn't, you say, maybe by the time when the revolution, no, 83.
A common
83 common, that's when I came.
I see.
Yes, and when I came, there was an issue between my dad and mom because my dad wanted a girl. No bar. And on my mom said, so a woman me mambo bad there is God who. So when I was born, my mom me kind of baby other. My mom was at the hospital for about 3 months. My dad was gone.
When you know?
Yes, we dropped.
Hey, this is serious.
Yes, this is real. This is facts. Wow. So he left my mom. My mom had to solicit for funds from the brothers near there to take care of the hospital and come home. So so when I came in, no issue about because I was supposed to be a girl and my baby. The issue in the bar, you know, it created a rift. For a long time, my mom had to hustle. What I said because the probana my baby. It was when I started. I mean, this is a story from my mom's side. But I couldn't talk to my dad to know his side. But it was when I started. Me started saying me go school no. Results but me be 100%. Me everything one science one from my math everything was 100. So when my dad started looking at me again like, hey, me be what be hey, what's me, you know. Then he started taking my reports. See, most of my terminal reports was in my dad's pocket. Or not the credit Juma Kochre.
Wow.
Yeah, you know. I in the miracle me be the time I was in Prempeh, because my office. Now me terminal reports said about because or lunch. You know, so there's that story. So my time, I didn't come at that time where there was. You see, Kwame might say a story about the family in a different way than me. You get what I mean? Exactly. So that's a little bit of. Oh, Debbie, me papa free move. But my dad was a very good man though. Just that maybe at that time, you know, all poor bana when you're into dry. My dad, may his soul rest in peace, died in the 2000s when I was in Prempeh College. Yes, then he died. So we are better to say it's more than 20 years now. Yes.
I see. This is very interesting.
Yeah. I've never said this anywhere.
Yeah, the Nyamiasu so for how far was Waba?
Yeah.
In the Yake Busi Assembly into my area naze. How is it like? The way it feels rap into traditional music now. Yeah. Me that's it. I like your questions because it brings certain things to mind. It makes people understand things properly. So if you're not a team now, you're easy, you know. I have code. It's like I'm speaking in my voice. Okay.
If you're not, you're easy, you know. If you're near a nightclub, it was called Copacabana. So we had music from the get-go. Me a baby, Nina. And the house was a nightclub. There was a nightclub in the house. So music all the time, loud music, I mean. At the same time, in our area, if I did it at home, now a traditional place. Because no more traditional music, or more belebe, the traditional music, that music, and no more theater, the masquerade. No more, it's you, terrible, you fear a lot of times. You fear not, it's how Momushe. Mask no more masquerade na minimum so music
fancy yeah kind of fancy dress
exactly yeah friend it
oh okay
o man no refie no mo no omo ekwalani na yin na ye gane na akosi se bed ase and all that
okay
at the same time no there was also another culture of omo ye blind ni omo ye most of the disabled you know normal form music groups don't be to a cappella. It was like a back-to-back bombardment of music. Eti club no, we born the whole night. That time na a Flash Junior no na ball. About the whole night, no. And sorry, na belebe for hambe grow, you know, traditional music, you know. A woman na tete for no so the soro kuna ba be fem.
Okay.
Na you know, ka kra you for no so the we abesriska. Disabled for na ba be to a cappella pa ba be. So it happened constantly. So there was music in the house all the time. Eti me kai those days so no. Na nkwala na ye wo feeling na eti me gada. Ye ne dada ntwi nom ne yi kwakutu tumo ne na nose nom ne ade gada. Na we bro drums so no we bop that we get. Now we hear rap. Now we hear say that's how I grew up. Okay. So